guys? I'm Annikowski from Goober Media, and today I'm going to be showing you my super huge Nerf arsenal. Our crossbows right over here. So we use a green crossfire bow in Nerf War Snowboard Battle. We use the orange crossbow in Nerf War The Ambush. Alright, so moving on, we have our Nerf and Strike Elite Series. Up first, we have the Strife. We use the Strife in Nerf War Survival of the Fittest. Next, we have the Hyperfire, which is one of my personal favorite guns. We use this gun in Nerf War First Person Shooter, the Care Package. Moving on, we have our Nerf Zombie Strike series. Up first, we have the Sling Fire, which we use in Nerf War The Ambush. Next up, we have our Mega Blasters. We really only have two primary ones, which are the Mega Centurions. Over here we have our Nerf Rhino Fire, which we used in Nerf War Boy vs. Girl. Right below that we have all our Super Soaker Blasters, which we used in Nerf War First Person Shooter Super Soaker War. And then we have all our pistols, which we use in a variety of videos, especially in our Nerf First Person Shooter Wars. Alright, so right here, we have all our Nerf gun attachments. This includes scopes, backstocks, and slings that you can put Nerf bullets in. Then we have all our blue Nerf darts. We use a lot of these. You can get them for really cheap on Amazon, so we don't really care if we lose them. Next, we have all the other colored Nerf darts, which is black, the Mega Darts, and these little torpedo things. Over here we have our clothing, so that consists of some like camo pants, we have shirts to use, and then in this bin we have vests, black vests, we've got some tan vests, we've got all of this. Finally, over here we have this white bin, and here we keep all of our hats, we keep the gloves, the goggles, and we even have these new Nerf attachments so you can add on to your guns. What's up guys, I'm Annikowski from Goober Media, and thank you all for watching the video. You guys are awesome. What would be even more awesome though is if you went down below and smashed the heck out of that like button. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram at Annikowski. Feel free to follow, I post some pretty cool stuff on there guys, so I think you'll like it. Anyways, that's it for today. Subscribe, we post new videos every Saturday. Like this video, and I'll see you next week with another one.